Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to dive into the benefits of learning at home using mp3.Academy audio lessons. Whether you're a teen, an adult, or a senior, the flexibility and convenience of learning on the go or in the comfort of your own home offers a unique opportunity to optimize your life. It's never too late to start this journey, and the beauty of it is that the entire family can benefit. By sharing knowledge together, every family member can improve in areas such as school performance, work productivity, relationships, and even financial well-being. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. Learning at home has become more accessible than ever, especially with audio lessons provided by mp3.Academy. For teens, life can be full of challenges. Juggling school, social pressures, and developing personal identities is no small task. Audio lessons provided by mp3.Academy offer practical advice and strategies for managing time, improving focus, and building self-confidence. Learning these skills at a young age sets a solid foundation for future success. As teens grow, they'll benefit from the lessons on emotional intelligence, communication, and decision-making, skills that are vital not only in school, but also in shaping their personal and professional futures. For adults, the pressures of balancing work, family, and personal growth can sometimes seem overwhelming. Many adults feel they missed opportunities for self-improvement earlier in life. However, it's important to realize that it's never too late to start the process of life optimization. The audio lessons from mp3.Academy are tailored to provide actionable strategies that adults can integrate into their daily lives. Whether it's learning to improve time management, boost productivity, or enhance relationships, these lessons contribute significantly to overall well-being. For seniors, lifelong learning is one of the most powerful ways to stay mentally sharp and emotionally fulfilled. mp3.Academy offers audio lessons that cater to the unique needs of seniors, focusing on maintaining mental clarity, staying engaged with life, and continuing to grow. Learning new skills and applying self-development techniques is incredibly rewarding at any age. Seniors who engage in ongoing learning are more likely to experience improved cognitive function, stronger social relationships, and an overall better quality of life. One of the greatest benefits of learning through mp3.Academy is that it fosters a culture of shared growth within families. When parents, children, and grandparents all engage with the material, they not only optimize their individual lives, but also strengthen family dynamics. By discussing what they've learned and sharing insights, family members can better support each other. This shared learning experience helps develop empathy, understanding, and cooperation, skills that improve communication and resolve conflicts more effectively in family settings. In terms of financial well-being, families that focus on learning together can significantly improve their financial literacy. mp3.Academy offers lessons on managing personal finances, budgeting, and setting long-term goals. As family members work through these modules, they'll not only improve their own financial standing, but also teach younger members of the family how to make informed, responsible financial decisions. This intergenerational transfer of knowledge leads to more financial security and stability within the family as a whole. Health is another critical area that can be enhanced through family learning. Audio lessons that focus on healthy habits, mental wellness, and physical vitality are beneficial for everyone, regardless of age. When families work together to improve their well-being, whether by learning about better nutrition, incorporating exercise routines, or practicing mindfulness, they can create healthier environments for each other. Shared goals for well-being can lead to longer, happier lives for every family member. The process of learning at home through audio lessons encourages consistent growth and adaptability. By creating a routine of learning, Families can ensure that they are continuously improving and adjusting to new challenges that life presents. This flexibility allows families to learn at their own pace, making it easier to integrate new knowledge into daily life without feeling rushed or overwhelmed. Ultimately, mp3 Academy's audio lessons are a powerful tool for life optimization. Whether you're a teen, adult, or senior, there's something valuable to learn. The key to success is not in making drastic changes overnight, but in making small, consistent improvements that add up over time. When family members work together, supporting and encouraging each other in the process of self-improvement, everyone benefits. By choosing to invest in these audio lessons, you're not just improving your own life, you're also contributing to the collective growth of your family. The benefits ripple out from the individual to the group, fostering a positive atmosphere of growth, support, and well-being. Start today with mp3 Academy and see how learning together can transform your family's happiness, productivity, and overall success.